I'm going to show you in this video how you can improve the quality of your video on CapCut. Right? So you can make your video look very, very professional with in only a couple of minutes. So let's jump right into this video now. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. And now without further ado, let's jump right into these videos. So what you need to do first, here we have the video, is to first grab your pencil, your Apple pencil, for more accuracy. You can use your finger as well, but yeah. So now first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to, we have here, so we have audio. And if you select your video, you can click on audio, and here you can increase the audio if you want, if it's not that loud. So that's important. Maybe you record your video in a quiet place. This way you can fix your audio. Now you also, here you have enhance your audio. You can turn this on from here, and this will enhance your audio. It's very helpful if your audio doesn't sound that good. Maybe I recorded this video using my iPad without a separate microphone, so the audio is not that good, so that's why I'm using this tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve the quality of your video. All right, you can also isolate your voice from here. And now the next thing you're gonna have to do, you can click on adjust, and then here you have video quality. You can reduce image noise and image quality. Now that's not an image, but we can reduce image noise or remove flickering if is the case for your video. It's not a case for my video, but I'm just letting you know in case you have this problem. And now I'm gonna click on, so here if you scroll, when you select the video, and then you just swipe like left, you're gonna see here remove background and relight, and also overlay. We're gonna click on relight, and then here we have a couple of options here, actually a bunch of options, but you can add this one, soft light, which I'm gonna move right here, and then I'm gonna click again, and I'm gonna select white, which is fine. This direction maybe, because that's the natural direction of the light, so why not moving the light right there. And I can increase the radius and the intensity. We can select people, only myself owns the lights, not the background. You know, you move it here or here, whatever you want, but the 3D, the way it actually captures the light, the face, the 3D, it's actually pretty good. Now I'm gonna click on this one, blue lighting, excuse me, and sorry, this is gonna move, sorry, I can move this one here, and then I can add, sorry, I'll select this one, second one, increase the intensity like so, and then the third one I'll move it here. Now let's see if it's point or directional. I'll want directional for this, and this one, which color should I use? Red. This one even. I hope you can see the details here, but I'm also explaining what I'm doing. And I'll increase the intensity. And now the fourth one, still directional. I'm gonna add red here as well, and I'll move it right in the corner there. And I'm gonna increase the intensity. All right, now we also here have creative, other lights, facial, or other options, but For now it's fine. We can also use adjustments here, and we have some filters, pro, and you can try one of these, depends now what you're going for. You can even select something like this. You can test, depends now. A filter might not really work for every video, so you can try which one you want for portrait. Some of here. Now we can also go back and edit other parts here. So I can go back to be light and move this light if I want to. You know. Also we can go to adjust. So I'm gonna click on adjust and click on adjust and increase the contrast. Okay, so already the video looks much better. And you can also change your video. If your video is for TikTok, this will auto reframe your video, which can be very helpful if you're putting your video on TikTok. Alright. Now also here we have video quality. If you want, you can remove flickers, which I do have a little bit on this video. But this will remove which you're gonna have to save your video and then add it. It's not gonna remove it entirely, but I think it's just like it's better to save the video and then redo all the steps. You can also click on this and reduce the noise. We can also go to adjust, and here sharpness, we can increase the sharpness, and then you can go to color correction and decrease this as well. Saturation, sharpness, decrease if it's too much, depends on your video really. And graphs, we can add just a little bit, 3 dots there and 1 in the middle. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.